Volcano lights up snowy sky. Villarrica volcano in Chile lighting up a snowy sky. The nearby city of Pucón on the 2nd of September, one of South America's most active volcanoes. Villarrica's last eruption was in March 2015. The eruption prompted authorities to evacuate thousands of people from the local area. The 9,000-foot volcano is located in Chile's Central Valley, 400 miles south of Santiago, and sits above the small city of Pucón. The first recorded Villarrica eruption was in 1558. According to Oregon State University, there have been at least 54 small to moderate eruptions recorded at the volcano and 2 moderate large eruptions in 1640 and 1948. According to OSU, there have been 4 fatal eruptions recorded at Villarrica, researchers say.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.